So we are all fighting COVID together, and we have all made a lot of changes into our day-to-day lives. And the three most important things that you should be following is number one is social distancing, number two is hand sanitization, and third thing is to wear masks whenever you go out. So these are three things that you have to stick to at least for some time, and we have to adapt and move on with our lives. But one of the sad things that we have been noticing is the improper and irresponsible disposal of masks. Not enough that as humans we are already overpopulating and overpolluting the earth. The additional burden of disposing of masks is going to become another huge environmental problem. But I'm not here to talk to you about that. We have to learn to responsibly dispose of masks. There are instances where masks have been thrown on the roads and on the streets, and where I have seen people pick up those used masks and use them for themselves. So disposal of masks is a very important thing. So if you are using cloth masks which are reusable, the best thing for you to do is, as soon as you come home, remove your mask and put it for wash. It has to be washed in hot water and then sun dried. So water and soap is the best way to kill this virus. So washing your reusable mask with water and soap is the best way to reuse your cloth masks. Second thing is, when you use such masks, surgical masks or 3-ply masks instead of using reusable masks. So when you use such masks, ensure that you dispose of them correctly. So you fold them in or roll them in like this, and then you tie it up with the ends of the elastic, and you dispose it into a paper bag, seal it, and then put it into a dustbin or a waste receptacle which is covered. So do not just throw it as soon as you come home, remove it and put it on your dining table or your dressing table, or just remove it and throw it outside grocery stores, in parks, on roads. So this is very irresponsible behavior. As soon as you touch your mask, ensure that you wash or you sanitize your hands. Do not handle anything else from the time you touch your mask to the time until the time you have finished washing your hands. And the third thing is the N95 masks, which are generally used only by healthcare professionals, and healthcare professionals are aware of how they have to dispose of their N95 masks. They will be putting them in specific biomedical waste colored bags, which will be collected and incinerated by the biomedical waste department. So these are the three different categories of masks, and as a general public you will be using either the reusable cloth masks or the 3-ply masks which you can buy from the pharmacies and the stores. So please be responsible in disposing masks. We are all going through tough times, and we have to stand by each other and support those who have lesser knowledge about these things, and educate the people who are around you, who live with you, who work with you. So they need some help also in terms of information, and teach them how to sanitize, how to hand wash, how to dispose of their masks, how to take care of their masks. So these are the small things that we can do to contribute to the community and the society at large. So all of you take care and stay safe and stay healthy.